Hello everyone, this is Dr. Alex. I'm just going to show you how to use Mentimeter. With Mentimeter, you can create interactive presentations that will surely make learning fun. First, you have to tap mentimeter.com and you will see this one. If it's your first time to use Mentimeter, all you have to do is to sign up, either with your Facebook or Google. Now that you have signed up, click New Presentation. By the way, there are different question types like multiple choice, open-ended, skills, Q&A, ranking, and word cloud. For today, we will use word cloud. I am now going to enter the question that goes, describe your online learning experience in one word. Then, click Present. Students will now be prompted to go to menti.com and use the code presented on screen. In this case, we have the code 5883682. And as they type their answers, take note that their responses will be popping up on screen like this. What you have just viewed is an example of a word cloud. Once again, with Mentimeter, we can make learning fun. I hope you learned something from me today.